Okay, so I've got 2016 Dodge Charger here, ex-police unit. I just got it. It's fully certified, inspected, cleaned. This is the car I will be making a bunch of new videos on until it sells. It has around 70,000 miles or 115,000 kilometers, and I'll be asking around 17,000 Canadian dollars for it. So if you're in Canada and interested in this vehicle, just let me know, comment on this post, and yeah, we can discuss options and terms. Or if you want to check my videos on this car, how I was fixing it and what had to be done to it, there will be at least 20-30 videos. For example, how to replace the middle console, how to actually install the middle console in ex-police car, and how to install the rear door handles, how to install the rear seat belts and stuff like that.